Demon places often refer to locations that are associated with dark legends, supernatural stories, or eerie occurrences. Here are 10 places from around the world that have gained a reputation for being spooky, mysterious, or haunted. Aokigahara Forest, Japan. Aokigahara Forest, situated at the base of Mount Fuji, holds a dark reputation as the suicide forest. Its eerie silence and dense vegetation have attracted those seeking solitude in their final moments. Tragically, the forest has become a common site for suicides. The haunting beauty of the landscape is juxtaposed with a heavy air of sadness and despair. Poveglia Island, Italy. The abandoned Poveglia Island in the Venetian lagoon is shrouded in mystery and darkness. It was once used as a quarantine station for plague victims and later as a mental hospital. Legends tell of the island's tortured past, including stories of cruel experiments on patients. The dilapidated buildings and overgrown vegetation contribute to the eerie aura that surrounds the island. Pripyat, Ukraine. Pripyat was once a vibrant city near the Chernobyl nuclear power plant. Following the catastrophic nuclear disaster in 1986, the entire city was evacuated, leaving behind a frozen moment in time. Abandoned buildings, an amusement park with rusting Ferris wheels, and remnants of daily life serve as haunting reminders of the sudden evacuation and the tragedy that unfolded. Salem, Massachusetts. USA. Salem's dark history is rooted in the infamous witch trials of the late 1600s. The town's association with witchcraft and the execution of innocent people has left an indelible mark. The streets, buildings, and museums still resonate with the echoes of the past, drawing visitors who are intrigued by the paranormal and historical aspects of the town. Tower of London, England. The Tower of London stands as a witness to centuries of history, including its use as a royal palace, a prison, and a place of execution. The ghosts of Anne Boleyn, Lady Jane Grey, and other historical figures are said to haunt its corridors. The tower's dark past, marked by betrayal, imprisonment, and death, creates an atmosphere of lingering spirits. Bangar Fort, India. Nestled in the Aravalli Range, Bangar Fort's ruins are steeped in legends of curses and ghostly encounters. According to local folklore, a curse was cast upon the fort, leading to its abandonment. Visitors have reported eerie sensations, strange sounds, and inexplicable occurrences within its walls, contributing to its reputation as one of India's most haunted sites. Island of the Dolls, Mexico. The Island of the Dolls, Isla de las Muñecas, is an unsettling place adorned with a collection of dolls and doll parts. The island's caretaker, Don Julian Santana Barrera, believed that the dolls warded off evil spirits after a girl drowned nearby. The dolls' decaying appearances and the aura of their protective purpose create an eerie ambiance. Leap Castle, Ireland. Leap Castle's dark history dates back to medieval times, with a legacy of violence and betrayal. The infamous Bloody Chapel witnessed gruesome acts, and the castle is rumored to be haunted by the spirit of a violent entity known as the Elemental. Visitors have described unexplainable cold spots, eerie sounds, and unsettling presences within its ancient walls. Bodie, California, USA. Bodie, a once booming gold mining town, is now a ghost town frozen in time. Abandoned in the late 1800s, the town's well-preserved buildings evoke a sense of both nostalgia and eeriness. Visitors claim to experience strange occurrences and a feeling of being watched as they explore the decaying remnants of this former community. Humberstone and La Noria, Chile. Humberstone and La Noria are abandoned nitrate mining towns in the Chilean desert. The harsh conditions that miners endured during their operation have given rise to tales of lingering spirits. Empty houses, rusting machinery, and remnants of daily life serve as reminders of the town's history and the challenges faced by its inhabitants. These demon places are not just physical locations but also repositories of history, tragedy, and legend. They evoke a sense of the uncanny and the unknown, drawing visitors and enthusiasts who seek to explore their dark tales and eerie atmospheres. Whether fueled by genuine paranormal experiences or vivid imaginations, these places continue to capture the fascination of those intrigued by the mysteries of the world.